everybody, happy Wednesday. Welcome to this week's episode of Nicole's Notions, brought to you by Pick Your Stitch. This week I have for you this 5-in-1 sliding gauge by Clover. This is going to be a great notion for you to keep in your drawer and for you to have next to your sewing machine at all times. And today I'm going to show you the different reasons why we love this. There are many different markings on this tool. The first one that I'm going to show you is right here. This width of the blue right here, this is 1/8 of an inch. If you push the slider all the way up from the edge of the blue to the edge of the purple, that's 1/4 inch. Each one of these blue edges from here to here and from here to here, those are each 1/4 inch wide. The opening in here, the opening space right in there, that is 1/8 of an inch wide. If you go from the edge on one side to the edge on the other side, that is 5/8 of an inch. So that's going to take a lot of your guesswork out of some measuring. If you need to measure 5/8 of an inch seam allowance, that's perfect right there. This tool is also really great for measuring buttonholes consistently. Let's say I need 3 inches in between buttonholes. I'm going to go ahead and pull this all the way down to the 3-inch mark. That means that I know that between the top of the purple and the top of the blue is 3 inches. So I'm going to go over to my fabric and I'm going to put one buttonhole here, one buttonhole here, and then all I'm going to do is move my ruler down, and everything stays right in place. Everything's nice and consistent. You never have to second guess where your buttonholes are going to be. One of the main reasons that I know I'm going to use this tool is during bag making. Quite often we have to measure up a 1/2 inch, or we have to fold something to the right side or the wrong side a 1/2 inch, and we have to press it. I personally like to go ahead and mark 1 inch up. So I'm just going to lock it in at 1 inch, and I'm going to take it down the edge of my fabric and mark 1 inch. That way I know that when I go to fold up my fabric, that line is going to be super consistent and it's going to go straight across. Easy breezy, lemon squeezy. Along the same lines of marking up where you need to press, you can also use this as a hem guide. So let's say we need a 1.5 inch hem length. We're going to lock that in at 1.5 inches. We're going to fold this up and we're going to know it's going to sit right there, right on the edge of that fold. We can just push it down all the way and it's going to stay where we want it. One of my favorite uses for this tool is that it can be used as a compass. Right inside here, there's a little hole. So we're going to put our awl right there, or you can hold it down with your finger. Right inside this purple area, there's a hole for your pencil. So I'm just going to put my pencil in there. And again, perfect circle every time. So again, this is the 5-in-1 sliding gauge by Clover. It is normally retail priced at $16.99. This week for Nicole's Notions, it's going to be on sale for 20% off. Go ahead and give us a call or stop in the shop and we can put one aside for you. Thank you for watching. We will see you next week.